The best Christmas of my life. Hi, my name is Felipe and I live in Coeur d'Alene. It is a small city in the state of Idaho in USA. In the year of 1983, I had the chance to live a wonderful experience. Well, this is my story. I was at home and I sat down in front of the fire and I wrote a letter to Father Christmas telling him about the presents I wanted: an Atari, a small TV, a new pair of shoes, and a ticket to see Michael Jackson. I addressed my letter to Father Christmas, the North Pole, before sending them up the chimney. 2 days before Christmas, when everybody at home was sleeping, I saw him, Papá Noel, el viejito pascuero, etc. He invited me to see the Christmas night in his magic crystal ball, and I saw many children, but they were not happy. They didn't have any presents, Christmas trees, or decorations. Some of them were alone, suffering. I think they were teenagers. On Christmas Eve, my parents helped me to decorate the house, put up the Christmas tree and the decorations. That special night, we tried to stay awake as long as possible to see him, Father Christmas, but I felt asleep. As soon as I woke up, I ran to the Christmas tree and I opened all the presents. But I felt bad and strange, so I left the house and I rode my bicycle to the poorest neighborhood of my city, and I gave most of my presents to the poor children. On the way back to my house, I saw a cloud that was smiling at me. That was the best day of my life.